Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video on login science. Today in this video we will be learning how to remove YouTube shorts. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your application YouTube is updated to the latest version. Once the application is updated, open it. Right below this video, you'll get to see the option of shorts and the videos uploaded in it. In order to remove this shorts option from your YouTube feed, all you have to do is remove all of these videos. Tap on this three dot and then click on not interested. It will remove this video. Likewise, you need to remove all of this video with the same process. Once you are done removing all of this video, you need to refresh the YouTube feed. Now you won't be able to see the option of shorts anymore. You can see that the option of shorts has been removed successfully. So this is it for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to remove YouTube shorts. I hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.